Hi everyone! Do you know the name of patterns of objects that we see in our nature? If not, this video is for you! Because for today's video, we are going to talk about mathematics in our nature and give the different examples of all types of patterns and symmetries in our nature that we see in our environment. So, let's start! First, let's give the meaning of mathematics in nature. Mathematics in nature is a science and mathematics unit that allows a student to explore and gain knowledge about the mathematical patterns found in our nature. Someone said that the beauty of nature as revealed by mathematics and the beauty of mathematics as revealed in nature. So awesome, right? So now that we are clear about the meaning of mathematics in nature, let's give the different examples of all types of patterns that are found in our nature. There are 4 types of patterns in our nature. The first one is the symmetry. The next one is the spiral. Next is the fractals. And the fourth one is the chaos. But first, let's start with the symmetries. And do you know that there are 3 types of symmetry? The reflection symmetry, translational symmetry, and the rotational symmetry. At ngayon ay samahan niyo akong maglakbay at maghanap ng mga iba't ibang patterns and symmetries na makikita natin sa ating kapaligiran. First is the reflection symmetry. This slip shows a reflection symmetry because when we line it and splitting it into 2 parts that are one mirrored images of the another. The second one is the translational symmetry. This plant is an example of translational symmetry. This plant did not change their size and shape even though they moved to another place. And the third one is the rotational symmetry. These flowers shows a rotational symmetry because their identical parts are consistently arranged around the central axis, and the pattern looks the same after a certain amount of rotation. So now let's talk about the fractal pattern. This pattern is a persistent pattern which are similar across different scales. The detail of these plants clearly appear again and again. No matter how many times this leaf magnified, it appears the same details again, or which are self-similar across different scales. And the third one is the spiral patterns. These patterns are curved patterns rendered around the central point of axis by series of circular shapes. This tiny leaf portrays spiral patterns. It has a curved pattern that rendered around the central point of axis by series of circular shapes. And the last one is the chaos pattern. Chaotic patterns are basic patterns generated from underlying complicated behavior. As you can see in this plant, it relates to a total chaos. Hi guys! So ngayon, maglalakad, maggagala at maghahanap tayo ng mga patterns and symmetries na nakikita ko sa aming lugar. So, tara!
Of rotational symmetry. Recent flowers and also leaves. Yung mapait yung dahon. Ano siya? Okay. Ayan, may central axis kung saan paikot siya. This is also an example of fractal pattern. Ang sinong in, yung mga ano-anong nakikita dyan. Pati din to. May mga patterns dyan. Ayan, chaos pattern. Kasi, gulo-gulo siya. Ganun. Ano pa ba? Rotational symmetry. Rotational symmetry. Ano, fractal pattern. Fractal pattern naman. Yan, yung nakakaliwanag. And that is an example of chaos pattern. And this is an example of translational symmetry. Reflection symmetry. Reflection symmetry. Spiral pattern. The curve patterns rendered around series of circular shapes. And this is also an example of translational symmetry. Yeah. Naman ang example ng fractal pattern. Fractal pattern.
And those are the different examples of all types of patterns and symmetries in our nature. Thank you for watching!